Welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. You don't know? Real Talk TV. Now guys, story come to bump. Story come to stand up. Wagwan my viewers and my subscribers. Remember, last time I talked to you, the last video, I said to you, say, unless something major occur, at the time, me go come back to you upon the Crissy and CMR case. Now, my viewers and subscribers, me have to laugh upon that one, yeah. A fan, one of them fan, one a Crissy fan, write a message below the video. Say, Crissy, a Jamaican hero. Me laugh. Because when they say Jamaican hero, me I wonder if it's a Yamed hero or Damed hero or what kind of hero. Me don't understand the word Jamaican hero, but my viewers and subscribers, the Carter family is back together. So remember, every time you hear Crissy say victory, 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 me laugh because me I say, how can you get a victory out of something as bad as this? Oh, the victory was that the man 3 months of therapy, counseling for sexual deviance is about to happen. The viewers and subscribers, the first video them post was CMR with all the girls in, not really all of them, one shot in a car, a drive. But my viewers and subscribers, what I really want to say to them, Crissy and CMR, if it take 3 months, for you to be back around them where you can even J herself, what that tell us, or what that should tell you? Listen me, good. This is not a victory, and this is not something you run up and down and act like you win, you win. And let me explain. Remember, there is and was a report by the little girl, Jay, say you, CMR, allegedly. So me no care, or it doesn't matter what happened, what conspired, the quote could have dropped. It was said out of her mouth. So the victory where you all talk about, you rather people look at the little girl as a liar than to look at your husband and you, CMR, as a monster. Now, with that said, you rejoice. And one of the comment where one of them people left say, people are going to have headache when they see the thumbnail. Let me tell you something. Me will never have no headache over spoiled milk. Me can't have headache over spoiled milk. And I go tell you the reason why. When your name call for something as brutal, as dangerous as this, when name call upon, There's nothing can change that. Nothing can change that. Whether if she in the car or drive with him, no matter what happens, there's nothing can change that. You know why? It is said already. It takes 3 months to fix it. So it takes 3 months of therapy, 3 months of bill, talk, this, that, for it to clear, for it to, okay, we're ready now. Yeah. If it have to take 3 months for you to going back around them in public, that simply means something was there and something is there. So the fact of going, yeah, victory, is just to show you that even when the brother call you and you tell the brother, say, awa, you hear, awa, you see what happen? Yeah, even then, all you want to think about is the money. But remember this. Remember, it's not the first. Remember, it's not the second. Me, as a father, as a parent, as a man, wouldn't want my name to call in a this way. No time, in no form, anytime in my life. And I act like everything is okay. I would never want my name to call in this kind of situation. Me never go say if, because my name not go call in a this kind of situation. No time, no place, nowhere, not on this earth. So the victory we want to talk about, think to yourself, think forever your name will be called. Whether if you and the little girl sit down in the front seat, whether if you want to laugh, whether if you want to talk, let me tell you something. Your name will forever call. Say, allegedly, she said you interfere with her in the wrong way. So there is no victory. There is no victory for two or uno. One, you go to jail. One, you know the mugshot. Two, you talk to the judge. So anyway you check it, there's no victory. So if you think a victory is in 3 months, yeah, in go through all the therapy, yeah, in change, yeah, he's a good man now. What was he then? What was he then? Wasn't he a good man then? Or he was a bad man then, but he changed now? See, this is the thing, Crissy and CMR. And you know, I gotta be honest. Yeah, I gotta be honest. Cause you don't know, station name Rodney's Lifestyle and Real Talk. Me and you, we are not friends. Me not hate you, but me not like you. Because of what she say you allegedly do. But me gonna say this to you, and me gonna be honest. I wish that the therapy that you get, that the therapy that you go do for the 3 months, I wish it change you. I wish it change you, and I go tell you the reason why I wish it change you. Your kids them, the one that I feel, they love you. Yeah. The one that I feel, them love you. Them like when you're around. So I wish you change your dirty ways. And listen to me. Good. Remember, we go there right here. We go there right here, and it's not like me there right here. I wait for you do it again. It's not like me there right here. I wait to see you do it again. But listen, me there right here. Sit down right here. If, or should I say when, me go use if. If you do it again, and even now, me not say. You get where? You know, sir, you know get where? Me still have you as that man. Me still have you as that man who allegedly done something to her that she have to go to the school. That will not change. That never change. So you can drive up and down in our car. You can live in a big life. Come in and really watching it. We just watching it together a little bit extra. So you can drive up and down. You can do all you want to do. But remember, the fact still remain. The facts still remain that allegedly you touch her inappropriately. And because of those facts is why you take down those videos very quickly. So, to all of your fans and your people and Crissy people, to all of you where I talk all kind of things and I say, oh, people are going to have headache, people are going to have problem. And that's how it go. People don't have problem just that easily. People still go talk. Because again, the facts remain. Allegedly, that's what she said. You not even realize, say, what you do, still a pine pan her. Just as well, you fans say, she a tell lie. Remember, is you same fans who was saying she a tell lie pan uno. So the victory where you, Crissy, and CMR get is a victory for uno. Is a victory for the two of uno. And that's the reason why you make it a point of duty, Crissy. And make sure you read the part about forgiveness, forgiveness, forgiveness. But remember, it's not the first time you do things like these with young people. And can I say this? If it happen again, I hope you don't come out and cry. I hope you don't come out and say anything. I hope you don't come out and act like you need sympathy. Because you know you're not going to get it. You know you're not going to get it. But my viewers and subscribers, listen to what I say. Crissy says she win. Apparently, she don't understand the real word victory. Them supporters say people are going to have headache when them see the thumbnail. Them say a lot of things. Them rejoice. Them say, yeah. Yeah. Me I wonder if them sit down and them think and ask themselves the question, what happened to that 3 months? What happened to that 3 months? From November 2nd? From November 2nd or 3rd, yeah. What happened from that time? Because if you realize, 3 months. 3rd of November to the 3rd of March. I saw 3 months. November, December 1, January, February 2, February, March 3. Yeah. Yeah, 3, call it 3, 4, something more than that. But what happened during that period of time? That is where people is going to ask. And that is where, as fans, should not ask what happened during that 3 months. Where, why, and those things. Instead, I talk about, them head I go hot, them go have headache. No. Me still a drink my tea. Me still a eat my crackers. It not stop nothing over here, so. Me don't know about the rest of people, but it will never stop nothing at my place. Nah stop nothing. So, you don't know, my viewers and subscribers, you know what we do. We there, we talk the real truth, and we not beat around bush, and we not go in a corner. We just talk it and say it as it is, and as we see it. So, without any further argument or talking, big up on yourself, enough respect, enough manners. Peace.